What is going on, guys? Welcome. That's young Matt character, Demo Ranch. Y'all know Demo Ranch. We'll watch that later. Anyways, we are filming the day before we take off on like a 600-mile round trip fishing adventure. We're heading up to Klamath River. If you guys watched 2 weeks ago, I took my wife up there. We were just kind of testing the waters today, or tomorrow, excuse me. Me and my brother, we're going up there. And just wanted to paint the picture for you guys. We're taking my white truck, and that thing's old. I just did the front end on it, did new calipers, brake pads, but I'm still having a problem with my brakes and my rear end. We bled them, and I think the master cylinder has air in it. We don't have enough time to bench bleed the master cylinder. We're going to do what we can today to try to get those brakes working better, but we're going no matter what, so, you know, we'll see what happens. But I have a good feeling that truck hasn't broke down yet. Knock on wood. Anyways, I will see you guys once we get packed and we get up to our campground. My brother probably will do some awesome B-roll for you all, but let's go catch some fish. So we're gonna get old Pissy Fun re-spooled here. No better place to go than the pro shop. Yep. All right, finally, we're out. What time is it?
I don't know.
We got time to check.
11:53.
It's 11:43.
11:43.
The dog's not coming with us.
We'll be lucky to be in Klamath at sunset.
By sunset. Hopefully my folks over here get some B-roll for you guys. See you soon.
You know what they say, if California's on fire, so is the salmon fishing!
Give you a little sneak peek of what's happening later. We got two very old MREs to open up. Here's some, what is this? Beef roast with vegetables. Beef roast? Yeah, beef roast. And then we got what does this one say? Got some sloppy joes. This is how some good roll. Sloppy joes, man. Yeah, it comes with
200 miles later, she made it. She's thirsty though. We got another, what, hour or so, and then we'll hit it. We'll be fishing soon.
Who's fishing the system, boys? Yeah, we went over and we checked out the mouth for a little bit. It looks promising, but not a lot of people fishing it. I don't know what that means. But there's a lot of people fishing going right now. You guys will be able to see shortly all of the anglers right in the background once we pop out on the beach. Here we go. Wow. Hoping the Klamath win. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna go camping more away from here. If there's a spot available, we can do it. And if we're not, then we'll camp right there. Well, that's cool. People are pretty distant. You're right, how like they just kind of cast with each other.
yeah.
It's actually kind of nicer this year, huh? You can see some land. Oh, this guy's got his net all the way across the other side. Crazy. We want to be where that guy's going, sure. Yeah, we're gonna go maybe 50 yards. What are these guys throwing? Big fish? Giants, man. He's got a black max, huh? Yes, we sure can, son. Welcome to Klamath Glen. Let's catch some fish. We can catch right here, homie.
Camera roll testing. Check in for the space. Camp set up at Klamath Glen. Here we go, boys. Ryan, are you excited?
Yes.
Jay, are you excited?
Oh, yeah.
This is fucking awesome. The river's right there, man.
Yeah, we pulled up on that one spot though. We saw a toad out there.
Oh, that's right. That is right. So we pull up. Where was that, dude? Some random boat ramp. And you know, the last time we were here, we didn't see any fish. I saw a fish last time, but we actually seen a big one jump, man. And that was got us all really juiced. So we feel like some good stuff might be happening in the oncoming minutes of this video. Know what I mean? So tune in.
I need to be able to.
There's something wicked going off in the background as Chef Jay whips up some amazing pulled pork by Jack Daniels. But yeah, I don't know. Something big going on. We need help? Damn, it already smells good.
Fucking bugs, man. Probably all landing up.
A little bit of seasoning, it's alright.
More protein.
Some protein. Dude, what? That's a 50 cal. Leave a comment down below. Is that a cannon? Is it hunting season in Klamath? I don't know.
Blunderbuss.
Just blowing salmon out of the water. Dynamite.
What the fuck?
What's that?
What's happening? We're under attack, bro? Probably can't even hear it in the camera. I don't know if you guys that are watching can hear, but we're not tripping out.
Ryan, flashlight? Or there we go. Oh, fuck, you can set that on the ground before you know how to hold it.
Man, how are we gonna go 400 miles away from home and hear cars? Right there. Oh shit!
What the fuck was that? Fireworks?
Bro, I don't know what the fuck that. I didn't see anything, dude.
Little gunshots.
It just exploded right
Homie,
there. What is that?
what? Are they telling us to leave?
No.
Are you sure?
What the fuck was that?
It had to have been a fire. It was probably a firework, dude.
But it
Right?
didn't have any flares.
I didn't see nothing in the sky.
It's nothing. We're under attack? Nazis!
I just want to go salmon fishing, man.
Hey bro, I think you can turn the stove on. Better eat before I die.
What the fuck? Homie.
It like flew away.
It is darkness, dude. I don't. Okay, well, we'll tune in tomorrow, guys, if we're still alive. Crazy. We're gonna go ahead and eat our pulled pork and listen to the explosions of whatever's going off in the background. We'll be fishing bright and early in the morning. I'm Jeff Downey, and you're watching Northern California Fishermen.
All right, great, hooked up.